Hello. The purpose of this video is to explain the main notions from this theory, which is called Finite Horizon Dynamic Programming. Specifically, we're going to look at the traveler's problem. The traveler has to go from point A to point B, okay? And this is a toll road. That is, for each segment of the road, the traveler has to pay as much as indicated here. For example, here there is $5 and there is $3 and so on. First of all, we need to remember that this is a dynamic problem. If it is a dynamic problem, then there is time involved. Okay, so we have here a timeline and there are times indicated on it. For example, this is at point 1. We have for each of those times we had a set of states. Okay, at point 1 we have this state, which is indicated by this circle, and at time 2 we have two states. This is one and this is another, and so on. So as we progress in time, the number of states initially increases. It is the largest here at time 4, and then it decreases, and finally we have this final state B. Next, for each time, and I forgot to put here, for each state we have a set of actions. For example, at time 3, one of the possible states is this, and there are two possible actions, one to go up, another to go down. Further, there is a set of rewards for each action. If we go up, then the reward, or in our cost, since we are talking about the toll road, this will be a cost. Or if you go down, the cost will be this. And the reward depends on the action we take. The next definition is that of a strategy. This is a set of actions that take us from A to B. Okay? In other words, this is a path, a trajectory. You can imagine something like this. This is one particular path that would take us from A to B. And this is taking this path means taking a series of actions, and the first action would be go down, then go up, and so on. And an important notion in this theory is that of our Markovian strategy. At each time, the action depends only on the state at the time and not on how we got there. Okay, like here, for example, if we are at this point, then our next action, either going up or down, should depend only on this state, not on the way we got to this point. Okay, we could have gotten through the upper part or through the lower part, it doesn't matter. Our next action depends only on the state. And finally, for each strategy we have a value function. This is a sum of all rewards. Okay, like here the sum would be 3 plus 5 plus 4 and so on. This is all about definitions. Thank you.